Hannah, and this is STEM Works, the show where we explore careers in science, technology, engineering, and math, and what makes them so much fun. We take you inside businesses and talk to professionals in their fields and explore what they do. And today, we're headed over to visit with our friends at Hamilton Medical to see what it is that they do. Have you ever thought about your lungs and how they work? You take a breath and breathe out, and it's so easy. As you breathe in, your lung delivers oxygen-rich air into your body where it is exchanged for carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas, and is removed from your body as you exhale. But what happens when your lungs stop working properly? You might need the help of a mechanical ventilator, which is a wonderful, life-saving technology that helps people breathe when their lungs can't do it for themselves. They're used at hospitals along with military and medical transports anytime someone needs help breathing. Mechanical ventilators have to be built and calibrated precisely to make sure that they don't damage the lungs of the patients who use them. At Hamilton Medical, they build the highest quality, life-saving mechanical ventilators that are used in hospitals every day to save lives. Everyone at Hamilton Medical works hard to ensure that their ventilators are assembled with the highest quality parts with the greatest attention to detail to make sure that they work as they should, delivering exactly the right amount of air in and out of the lungs of those in need. Today, we'll check in with electromechanical assemblers Leslie Posada and Irene Catano, who assemble all of the parts that make up a ventilator, as well as Sarah Silva, who is a service technician at Hamilton Medical. So come on, let's head over for a visit with our friends at Hamilton Medical to see what it takes to build their mechanical ventilators that are so useful and important at saving lives. Hope you're ready. Let's take a deep breath and dive right in. So tell us, what is your job at Hamilton Medical?
I put teeny tiny parts and pieces together that go with other pieces that make a functioning, life-saving ventilator.
I build parts to a ventilator that help people in the hospital to help them with their respiratory issues.
I troubleshoot, fix, and maintain the ventilator equipment, and I also assist customers over the phone.
I specifically work in the clean room. It's a very sanitary area, so we have to gown up, booties, gloves, clean the machines, adjust the glue, calibrate the machines, get the tubing, put it in the machine, and then get a small flow sensor body, and then the machine will connect both of them together, and then we grab them, package them.
I basically have made every part and piece in a ventilator. Every part and piece that I've learned how to do all go into that little ventilator.
It's very hands-on. I do all the actual repairing. I take apart the units, I put them back together.
Can you tell us why your job is important?
I find that it's super important. What we're making to help save lives is going into a hospital, military, a convalescent home.
Because they're life support equipment, they need to function properly, be maintained properly. At the end of the day, it's keeping a person alive.
We build about 2,000 a day. If we don't build those, we wouldn't have the inventory to sell out to hospitals to meet the needs of patients.
When you see one of the ventilators completed and ready to go out, you know that it's going out to help somebody. You're building these life-saving tools that go all over the world and are used everywhere to save lives.
It's a lot of very fine work that goes into repairing the ventilators. You have to get up all the ribbon cables, and there's tubing. There's a lot of different bits and pieces that we're taking apart.
What I do sets the next person up out on the line, out on the floor. So if my job isn't done right, it kind of interferes with them. So everything we do matters from the moment you walk in to the moment you walk out.
That's great. So what excites you the most about your job?
If you like taking things apart, putting things together, if you're fascinated by how things work, it's great. It's a lot of fun.
You're seeing multiple pieces put together and then seeing a functioning, important piece of equipment come together. That's the cool part. I kind of was like, yeah, I did that, you know?
You're kind of like a doctor of electro-pneumatic equipment. You're diagnosing it, going in, performing surgery.
I like working very much hands-on. Sometimes I'm working in the clean room, sometimes I'm working outside. I can actually take things apart and be able to put them back together without getting in trouble. It's actually okay to look inside a machine and see what's going on.
Part of what I love about this job, you actually get to go in and physically fix the piece of equipment. That's why I like engineering so much, is because I'm getting actual results. I can see this is actually within specification and it works.
These are one of the machines that people count on the most. So it's kind of rewarding and makes you proud that you actually get to help people.
It has such an important role in people's lives. I think it's really cool.
Okay, and what about skills? What are some of the most important skills in your job?
Being able to work with tools like screwdrivers, rulers, tape measures, stuff like that, because you have to know how to torque it down a specific amount.
You do need to be able to think and know what you're doing and pay attention and be that detailed-oriented person because a life is counting on it.
You need to make sure that you go in and do the repair correctly, thoroughly, just because it's so important that this equipment works.
The very little details matter, as in the tubing, if you have like the smallest scratch, that's something that definitely cannot be used for a patient because it will interfere with the airflow.
You have to be flawless because anything that would be considered a contaminant could actually hurt somebody.
You need to do full testing and calibration on the piece of equipment to make sure you put it back together correctly. Those tests are designed to show you any problems that may have occurred.
You always have to communicate with your peers, especially if you're new to the machine or new to an area and you don't know exactly what to do, and then someone comes in here and helps you and they're like, oh, it's simple, it's an easy fix, like let's just show you how to do it.
That's the cool thing about working here too, is there's a whole team of different people that I can ask. When you're working together, it's not just you identifying an issue and your input, but you also have someone to pick up on what you missed or vice versa.
Any other advice you might have for us?
I've had to work really hard at it, but it's what I really like. Even if engineering's hard for you, if you really enjoy it, then keep at it.
It's not as complicated as you think as long as you're willing to go through the training and don't give up. It's more than just the assembly. It's more than just the testing. There's calibration. There's the engineering department. There's actually customer service and technical support in another building.
Follow your own dreams. Don't be scared to try, don't be scared to fail. Live life for yourself because at the end, that's what truly matters.
Just do it. Like, you only get one life, so you should try to get what you like doing, what you're passionate about.
Wow, that was really amazing. I had no idea what an important role mechanical ventilators play in saving lives. Thanks to Leslie, Irene, and Sarah, we discovered all about what they do at Hamilton Medical, how much effort, attention, and detail goes into building their mechanical ventilators, and how much fun it can be assembling and fixing them. I hope you had as much fun as I did finding out about these awesome careers at Hamilton Medical. Well, that's about all the time we have, but I want to thank you all for joining us for this episode of PBS Reno STEM Works. You can find out more information about Hamilton Medical at their website, hamilton-medical.com. For more information on these careers and others, visit pbsreno.org/STEMworks. And as always, don't forget to get out there and discover what it is that gets you going and on the right path to your STEM future.